like magic, be like fire.
When it comes to facing the unexpected, the right gear can make all the difference. Compact survival gadgets pack powerful features into pocket-sized designs, helping you stay prepared for emergencies, outdoor adventures, and everyday challenges, ready to act whenever and wherever you need them. All the mentioned product links are in the description.
Get comfortable, because here we go.
Number 20. RHINO Ready Companion We2. Built to keep two people safe for up to 72 hours, this survival kit comes in a tough, waterproof, and fire-resistant backpack with neatly organized compartments. It packs a 3-in-1 hand crank and solar-powered phone charger, emergency radio, and flashlight, plus a stainless steel water flask and first aid kit. For cold conditions, you get a heat-reflective blanket, insulated gloves, and hand warmers. With roomy storage, waterproof pockets, and a practical survival belt, it's ready for almost anything. Number 19. Rainfly. This ultralight survival tarp is built for quick shelter, offering strong waterproof and UV protection to keep you dry and comfortable outdoors. It sets up in about 2 minutes using 4 tie points, 6 stakes, 7 adjustable guy lines, and 6 carabiners. Compact and easy to carry, it also includes a handy 5-in-1 survival bracelet with a compass, whistle, scraper, and flint, making it a versatile companion for camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure. Number 18. Folding Survival Shovel. Built for tough terrain, this compact digging tool packs a shovel, pickaxe, and hoe into one sturdy design, made from durable carbon steel with a rust-resistant finish. It's ready for heavy use. The handle extends to 22 inches for leverage and folds down to 9 by 6 inches for easy storage. Weighing just 2 pounds, it's lightweight, portable, and perfect for camping, hiking, or tackling outdoor tasks where space and efficiency matter. Number 17. Hand crank solar-powered flashlights. Never worry about dead batteries with this emergency flashlight that runs on hand crank and solar power. A quick 1-minute crank gives over 8 minutes of light, while 30 minutes in direct sunlight adds another 10. It fully charges in about 40 hours of sun and can stay ready by simply placing it near a window. Lightweight and portable, it clips to your backpack, belt, or keychain with a carabiner, making it a reliable light source for any outdoor or emergency situation. Number 16. RHINO Rescue Emergency Medical Kit. This portable first aid kit is packed with essentials to handle everything from small cuts and scrapes to burns and sprains. Waterproof and lightweight, it includes bandages, antiseptics, blister care tools, and even a CPR guide. The durable EVA shell keeps supplies protected, while its compact size and carabiner make it easy to attach to a backpack or keep in your car. Perfect for hiking, camping, or everyday preparedness, it ensures quick access to emergency care whenever it's needed. Number 15. OLIGHT Arkfeld Pro. Packing an impressive brightness of 1,300 lumens, this handy flashlight brings 3 light sources together: white LED, UV, and a green beam. Its UV light offers a strong 900 milliwatt output at 365 nanometers for precise professional results. A 5-level battery indicator keeps you aware of power levels, while the simple circular selector makes switching modes quick and effortless. Compact yet powerful, it's built to handle a variety of tasks with ease in any situation. Number 14. TurnOnSport Orienteering Compass. Perfect for navigation outdoors, this lightweight compass features a 360-degree rotating bezel, a clear acrylic baseplate, and a fast-moving magnetic needle in a liquid-filled capsule for smooth readings. It includes a built-in magnifier for detailed map work and a 1:24,000 scale for accurate route planning. Compact and easy to carry, it's great for both kids and adults, making it a reliable tool for hiking, camping, or exploring unfamiliar terrain with confidence. Number 13. Lifesaber. When facing challenging conditions, this compact multi-tool delivers multiple survival functions in one. It can purify water in minutes with its UV module, provide light with a strobe flashlight, and signal for help using an 85 decibel siren. It doubles as a power bank, charging by hand crank or USB, and includes a plasma arc fire starter reaching 2000 degrees Fahrenheit for fast ignition. Lightweight and versatile, it's built to keep you ready for emergencies and outdoor adventures. Number 12. Ruike Camping Small Fixed Blade Knife. This full Tang stainless steel knife is built for versatility with a razor-sharp drop-point blade made from durable Sandvik 14C28N steel for excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. Its ergonomic G10 handle offers a secure, non-slip grip, while the 360-degree adjustable sheath allows comfortable horizontal carry. Measuring 8.78 inches and weighing just 194 grams, it's ideal for bushcraft, camping, hiking, fishing, or everyday use. The set also includes a handy 6-in-1 keychain, multi-tool, and a safety belt holster for added practicality. Number 11. MAXPEDITION Gyrfalcon Backpack. Built for demanding conditions, this 36-liter backpack combines durability, comfort, and smart organization. Crafted from tough ballistic fabric with water-resistant treatment, it offers a spacious main compartment, hydration sleeve, and multiple internal pockets. The detachable lower pouch transforms into a convenient waist pack, while padded straps, sternum support, and a waist belt ensure comfort during long treks. With modular attachment points, strong zippers, and reinforced stitching, it's designed to carry gear securely and efficiently on any outdoor adventure. Number 10. Survival Belt 2.0. Blending style with utility. This rugged belt is built for more than just keeping your pants in place. Its US 8 stainless steel buckle conceals practical survival tools, including a fold-out knife, ferrocerium fire starter, LED flashlight, and bottle opener. Designed to handle tough use while staying comfortable, it's a discreet yet reliable companion for outdoor activities or emergencies. Compact and always within reach, it ensures you have essential tools ready at your waist whenever they're needed most. Number 9. Bracelet Car Window Breaker. Discreet and practical. This lightweight wristband hides powerful emergency tools in plain sight. A tungsten striker bead allows you to break tempered side windows with just a quick wrist motion, making it invaluable in escape situations. Its adjustable elastic strap ensures comfort and a secure fit, while a hidden handcuff key provides an extra layer of preparedness for urgent scenarios. Easy to wear every day, it keeps life-saving tools right on your wrist without adding bulk. Number 8. Foldable Solar Charger. Stay powered up anywhere with this lightweight foldable solar charger. With 24% conversion efficiency and a built-in smart chip, it delivers fast charging while protecting devices from overcharging. Folding down to the size of an e-book reader and weighing just 0.44 pounds, it's easy to pack or clip to a backpack using its built-in attachment points. Waterproof and durable, it works with most 5-volt USB devices, making it perfect for hiking, camping, or staying connected during unexpected outages. Number 7. Suncase Solar Lighter. This compact solar-powered lighter lets you start a fire anytime without fuel or matches. Using the sun's energy, it ignites with just a simple press. After aiming at direct sunlight, built from rugged, survival-grade materials, it's made to withstand harsh outdoor conditions. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency situations where a reliable flame is essential. A smart tool to keep on hand when you need quick, fuel-free fire starting in the wild. Number 6. Weather Radio. When disaster strikes, having reliable gear can keep you safe and informed. This multifunctional emergency radio delivers weather alerts to warn you of severe storms, giving you extra time to prepare. It also features bright LED flashlights and an SOS siren for added safety. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it charges via hand crank, solar panel, or batteries, ensuring it stays ready no matter what. Lightweight and practical, it's a must-have for any emergency kit. Number 5. Multittool. This multi-tool packs needle nose and regular pliers, wire cutters, knives, saws, and a diamond-coated file into one handy device. Made with durable 440A steel, the blade stays sharp and resists rust. You can access all the tools with one hand without opening the pliers, making it super convenient. With a camouflage finish, pocket clip, and nylon sheath, it's easy to carry on your belt or backpack, perfect for outdoor tasks or everyday use on the go. Number 4. Uncharted Rapid Raft. This lightweight, durable raft is easy to carry and quick to set up. Made with watertight seams and strong materials, it's built to handle tough conditions like fishing trips, camping, or emergency water landings. Inflate it by unrolling and scooping in air, then adjust buoyancy with a one-way valve. Despite its compact size, it can hold up to 400 pounds, making it a reliable and portable option when you need a sturdy flotation device on the go. Number 3. BioLite CampStove 2+. This compact camp stove does more than just cook your food. It turns heat into power you can use to charge devices. With a built-in battery, it stores energy from the fire to keep your phone charged. It boils water fast, offers adjustable flame control, and has a grill top big enough for 4 burgers. Plus, it includes a battery-powered lamp to light your area. Lightweight and efficient, it's perfect for cooking, staying warm, and powering up when off the grid. Number 2. Full Tang Hatchet. This compact, tough hatchet is perfect for emergency situations and everyday outdoor work. It features a full Tang steel handle with a built-in pry bar for added use. The blade, made from powder-coated high-carbon steel, stays sharp and cuts precisely. A strong back spike helps break through cinder blocks, wood, or walls easily. Lightweight and versatile, it's great for clearing debris, breaking barriers, or handling any survival task where a dependable tool is needed. Number 1. Bite Extractor. This compact tool quickly removes venom and irritants from insect bites and stings using simple manual suction. No batteries or chemicals needed. It helps reduce swelling and ease discomfort right away, making it a handy addition to any outdoor or emergency kit. Lightweight and easy to carry, it fits easily in a backpack or pocket, providing quick relief when medical help isn't close by during camping, hiking, hunting, or any survival situation. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.